Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial of how I wrap my egg rolls. So I use this Spring Home brand. There's a ton of different brands out there, but this is the one that I like the best. And this is the smaller version of them. And it comes like this, and then you just peel away. And then once you're done, you just put the wrap in the diamond shape. And then you'll use about a tablespoon for this one. You want to put it about 3/4 of the way from the bottom. And kind of press it out to have a little log. And then what you do is just pull that bottom corner, kind of tuck it in a little bit, and then roll up about halfway. And then what you want to do is tuck the sides in before you keep rolling. So tuck the sides in and then keep everything in bundled together and then just roll up. And I like to use egg yolk to kind of put it on that last corner to seal everything in. I know others who use the egg whites of the egg, so I guess it's just personal preference, like what you like. But I've always used, my mom has always used egg yolk, so I've always just used egg yolk. And remember not to put too much egg yolk on it because it could cause the egg roll to burst. Again, you want to put it the diamond way, and about a tablespoon, about 3/4 of the way from the bottom there, or on the sheet. And then you pick up the corner and then just tuck it in a little bit. Start rolling, and once you get to midway, you want to tuck in the sides. And then just keep rolling. And don't forget the egg yolk to seal at the end, so you don't have a bunch of burst egg rolls. There you go. And again, if you have like some of your stuffing leaks out from the side, you can either take the stuffing out and redo it, or you could even just overlap it or put it one on top of it, and then it'll just add an extra crunchiness to your egg roll. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.